Class of 2029. You came from across the country and around the world. Each of you brings different opinions, different ideas, different stories, different interests. We're so glad that you're here.
34 years ago, I made the same decision you all did, to make this campus my next home. I'd encourage all of you to take ownership of your education. Use this time to explore anything and everything that sparks your interest. It's likely that one of these experiences will be your most formative.
Please join me in welcoming the newest students of William and
4 years from now, you'll be eager to take on the world. But this campus will always, always feel like home.